Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Patricia. How do you like my look today? This is so colorful, gorgeous, and that matches my dress, if you can see. NikkieTutorial collabed with YAAY and they created a beautiful palette. So I ordered that and today I'm going to unbox the palette and I will show you how I achieved this look. So if you want to be with me, then keep on watching. Drumroll please. So here is the box. It is already telling me what's inside. NikkieTutorial x YAAY. Now I'm gonna open it. Oh, this is so cute. It says, "Step into Nikkie's world." So let's open the box. Wow. This is so pinky, orangey. And look what it says. "Hello guys, it's me, Nikkie. Hello." Just like she says on her YouTube channel. This packaging is so gorgeous. And they have these papers as cushion. And I ordered this palette as soon as they launched and I got this pop socket. This one is pink. I love this pink. Purple. It matches my nails. Look at this. So pretty, right? Okay. Now it's time to unbox this palette. So they come with bubble wrap. And this comes with a little card and this gives you proper instruction. Either you should use brush or your finger. And on the other side there's a little note from Nikkie and there's a cute smiley sign. I can't wait to open the palette. So here it is. The pink side represents bright side of her life and the black side represents dark side of her life. And oh yes. Look at these shades. All these shades are amazing. Did you guys know that these mirrors are not similar? This one is a 1x mirror and this one is a magnified mirror. Wow! So you can see if there is an imperfection. Oh my god, this is so good. I'm so happy. There is another little cute note from Nikkie. I'm so shocked and I cannot wait to swatch these colors. This is so gorgeous, but I don't want you to be bored, so I'm gonna insert a clip here. This palette comes with 20 shades and all these colors are so pretty. I love this blue, green, red, pink, shimmery. Oh my god, this palette is so gorgeous. I love Nikkie. To be honest with you, I ordered this palette because I love Nikkie. I want to support her. But when I got this palette, I am more than happy. I know that I'm gonna wear colorful eyeshadow today. That's why I'm wearing this dress. Yes. I'm applying powder underneath my eyes just in case if I have fallout, and also on my nose. I want to start with the color Amsterdam. I'm using my Sigma medium angle shading brush. Let's pick the color. I just dipped my brush and look at this. This picked up a lot of color. I want to start with my outer V. I will dab the color first, then I'm gonna blend out the shade. Same thing for my left eye. The next shade that I'm gonna take that is this Redemption. And pack the color on my inner corner. Now I'll take Vla and go over the shade, the orangey shade. The next shade that I'm gonna take, that is Mikai. Mikai is this red shade, and as far I know that Mikai was Nikkie's younger brother, and red was his favorite color. Now I'm gonna use this color, Blend and Snap, which is a pink color. Take this and blend it here. Now I'm taking my Sigma Buff and Blend brush, and I will use Zoomer, which is this shade, and I'm using this shade to blend the edges. The next shade I'm going to use is Ew. This is this. On camera, maybe it looks a little bit bluish green, but this is a bright green. And I'm gonna put this shade next to Amsterdam. I'm taking Amsterdam again and to deepen the outer V. I'm using my concealer to cut my crease. For my inner corner, I'm using this shade. This is a white silvery shade. And beside Ivy, I want to use this shade Pride. Wow, this is so beautiful. The next shade I'm going to use, that is Aura. Aura is orangey shimmery shade, and I'm going to use my finger again. These shimmer shades are so pretty. I am in love with these shimmer shades. I really want to take the shade NikkieTutorials. I think that this is her mom's favorite color. I want to use this, and I'm going over the green shade to have a blended look. So this is looking, now this is looking greenish blue. My eyes are looking so glittery, but I don't mind. I love this. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna take Amsterdam, and I will start with my outer V. I'm just being lazy. I'm using the same brush to pick the color Ew. And I'm gonna pick the color Blend and Snap, which is a pink color, and put it to my inner corner. My eyeshadow is done. I'm gonna go put my eyeliner on, mascara and lashes, then I'll be back. I'm really happy how the look turned out. This is so pretty, colorful, and gorgeous. So my final thought about this palette is, if you're a person like me who loves colors and shimmers, then this is for you. Grab it. And this palette retails for $30. But as far I know that this palette is a limited edition, so grab this before they're sold out if you like it. This palette is so beautiful, and just so you know that this palette is pressed pigment palette, and all this color, the color payoff is amazing, and I'm so happy with the shimmer shades. They are so gorgeous. As you can see, these shimmer shades are very beautiful. There is color, there is shimmer, so I'm really happy with this palette. So guys, that's all for today. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.